So you want your own GPT?
Welcome AI geniuses, my name is Rich, and today I'm going to take you through the steps of creating your very own GPT, and I will demonstrate a custom GPT I created that generates images using DALL-E 3. First of all, what are GPTs? Everybody talks about OpenAI, ChatGPT, and GPT as if they're the same thing, but they're not. OpenAI is an AI research company. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses GPT. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a family of neural network models that uses the Transformer architecture. This gives it the ability to create and respond with human-like text and images, content, music, etc., and answer questions in a conversational manner. After hearing that, creating a custom GPT might seem like a task for an MIT graduate, but it's surprisingly simple. With the recent advancements in AI technology, personalizing your own chatbot is now within reach for everyone. Let's break down the process into simple, manageable steps. First thing you want to do is choose the right platform. Start by selecting a platform that allows you to create and train custom GPT models like ChatGPT, Product Prodigy, or UX Audit Pro. I'll leave a link in the description for a full list done by Medium.com. Next, you're going to want to define your GPT's purpose. What do you want your AI to do? Whether it's answering specific questions, running code, or generating images using an image generator like DALL-E 3, which I'll show you shortly, having a clear goal is going to be crucial. Then you want to customize and train your AI. Use the tools provided by the platform to customize your GPT. This involves feeding it relevant data and information that aligns with your desired outcomes. Once your AI is set up, it's time to test it out. Let's test the custom GPT I created that generates images using DALL-E 3. I'm curious, what unique creation will you bring to life? Share your ideas in the comments below. And if you found value in my content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Genius for more inspiring and informative AI content. Later, everybody.